Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on sound effects on Cooking Craze. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can see that the sound effects option has been turned off. Now in order to turn it on, you just have to tap on the button of sound effects. So that is how you can turn on sound effects on Cooking Craze. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.